Most people get this wrong, and they end up stuck on the phone for an hour just to cancel a subscription they already don't want. The truth is, canceling Comcast Corporation in 2026 does not always require a call, but you need to know the exact digital steps to avoid delays and retention traps. In this video, you'll learn how to cancel Comcast without calling, how to avoid surprise charges, and what steps actually confirm your cancellation. Let's start with the most important thing people miss. Comcast does not always make cancellation obvious inside your account. But here's the trick. Start by logging into your Comcast account online. Then go to the Services or Account Settings section. From there, look for Manage Subscription or Change Services. This is where the cancellation flow usually begins. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most users expect a simple cancel button, but Comcast often uses a step-down process. Instead of canceling directly, you may be offered plan changes or downgrade options first. Do not get distracted here if your goal is full cancellation. But here's the problem. In many cases, the online flow will eventually prompt you to chat or call support. This is where most people think cancellation without calling is impossible. But there is a workaround. If chat opens, clearly type that you want a service disconnection request and ask for a written confirmation. In many cases, you can complete cancellation through chat without ever making a phone call. In a minute, I'll show you the step that ensures Comcast cannot keep billing you after cancellation. Once you submit your cancellation request, always ask for a confirmation number or written email proof. This is critical. Without confirmation, billing disputes can happen even after you think your account is closed. Another key detail is equipment return. If you have Comcast routers or TV boxes, you must return them through an approved drop-off location or shipping label. If you skip this step, you may still get charged rental or replacement fees. Also, timing matters. If you are mid-billing cycle, ask for the exact cancellation date. Some users cancel late in the cycle and still get charged for the next month because the request was not processed in time. To wrap it up, canceling Comcast without calling in 2026 is possible if you follow the right path. Log into your account, start the service management flow, use chat for written cancellation, and always get confirmation plus return equipment properly. If this saved you time or helped you avoid a frustrating phone call like the video, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple guides that make complicated processes easy.